Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to reuse your old PlayStation 3 power supply. This is one of the fat models. It has 23 ampere output. Normally the power plug is like this when you disconnect it. I've made some like this to connect a normal electrical wire for that. So, what do we need to start this without our PlayStation? If you have your power cable, you need this jumper. By the way, this is the connection to the mainboard. This is the plus, this is the minus. You can also check it with your multimeter. To start your power supply up, you need a jumper from this pin, this is number 1 on this side, to the fourth one. If you connect this and put your power plug in right here, direct it to your power, it should be an output of 12 volt out here. I want to use this power supply for halogen transistor for 12 volt, like in my workshop. This one, I turn it off so you can see it better. This is a normal halogen light, alright, with light bulbs. No LEDs. They still work, and they have a transformator inside that change 212 volts to 12. So everyone, I wish good luck for his project, and the next video I'm going to show how I use this in my apartment.